very interesting press release from Downforce Technologies. Downforce Technologies secures 4.2 million Australian dollars to scale revolutionary soil organic carbon measure technology. Global dMRV startup Downforce Technologies closes funding round led by Equator VC to scale groundbreaking Downforce technology. London. Downforce Technologies Limited, a climate tech leader in soil organic carbon measurement and prediction, announced closing a $4.2 million funding round led by Equator VC. The existing shareholders include Tiverton Agriculture Impact Fund, Dragonfly Enviro Capital, Perivoli Innovations, and the Clean Energy Finance Corporation, whose investment is managed by Virescent Ventures. According to the United Nations, global climate, biodiversity, and land degradation goals will be out of reach unless investments into nature-based solutions quickly ramp up to $384 billion per year by 2025, more than 2 times the current level. Meanwhile, food producers who are reliant on global supply chains, particularly in Africa, for inputs face both uncertainty and regulatory pressures, which create a need for better visibility and traceability of natural capital stocks in their supply chains. However, measuring natural capital, in particular soil organic carbon, is very challenging. In-field measurements are expensive, time-consuming, and have surprising risks for errors. Downforce's groundbreaking natural capacity analytics technology leverages cutting-edge science, modeling, and remote sensing to provide the most reliable, impartial, and cost-effective method for soil organic carbon measurement. The technology delivers critical data that empowers farmers, landowners, and corporations to track progress towards sustainability goals, unlock new revenue streams, and drive climate action. In addition to providing historical and current soil organic carbon assessments on agricultural land, the company also provides tools for planning and executing verified carbon projects, soil health interventions, and farm emissions data integration, enabling net zero emissions reporting. This fresh capital injection will fuel Downforce's international expansion and further product development. We've built robust technology based on excellent science, a fantastic product, and a growing client base, said Professor Jackie McGlade, Downforce's co-founder and chief scientific officer. This funding allows us to democratize access to the technology and empower a wider audience to make data-driven decisions for soil health and climate action. Our investment stems from a comprehensive assessment of Downforce Technologies' science, team, and technology, said Nijad Jamal, managing partner at Equator. Downforce has successfully introduced a compelling software platform which should act as a catalyst for increased investment in soil organic carbon globally, in particular in Africa, to ensure food security, promote climate mitigation, and ensure resilience to climate change. So, end of article for that press release. It goes on to explain who is Downforce Technologies Limited, founded in 2020 with the mission statement to make soil carbon measurement technology accessible and affordable. And then, of course, about Equator VC, a venture capital firm that is based in Nairobi, Kenya, Lagos, Nigeria, London, England, and Colorado, US, that targets tech-enabled early-stage venture in energy, agriculture, and mobility, and specifically accelerating an equitable climate transition in sub-Saharan Africa. And they are partnered with the British International Investment and Global Energy Alliance for People and Planet. So it seems that, according to the co-founder and chief scientific officer, they, yes, have built a robust technology based on excellent science. That does seem that they have a fantastic product, at least superficially, and a growing client base, which is key for any startup. So hopefully, with this new round of funding, they're going to be able to go global. And yeah, the majority of the investors seem to be either UK-based or Africa-based. A few Australian VCs, such as Tiverton, and then Dragonfly. And then there's a European, UK again, with Perivoli Innovations. So yeah, Clean Energy Finance Corporation in Australia, it seems. So everything is quite good going for this company, but we just got to make sure that hopefully they're going to be able to leverage this funding and really go to market and expand and just super grow their client base, and that would be key. That would be a good proof of concept and a good case study for them to scale. And of course, they're checking the boxes. It says here that the United Nations, the global climate, biodiversity, land degradation goals are going to be out of reach unless investment is doubled. Um, so I think this startup will help bridge the gap, but it's all about putting information and applying the information for when it comes to this is soil organic carbon measurement, and who might, as a end user, B2B, B2C, B2G, be utilizing the technology. So interesting article. Congratulations on the fundraise, and let's hope that they're able to onboard as many clients as possible in order to provide the biggest impact as possible for the technology in order to complete their mission statement, which is, of course, to revolutionize soil organic carbon measurement and democratize it and make it available to everybody.